Yeah, that can suck the wind out of you a little bit. I don't even know if that's okay to say. Suck the wind out. Yeah. Take the wind out of your sails. That's what I meant.
Yeah.
Um, it's just we're trying to score. We get it at the 50. We have an op defense makes a great play, gives us a chance, and obviously we've been in a tough spot. So let's go get a shot at, throw it at the end zone, see what happens, and it goes so wrong, man. It goes so wrong, and that's one of them things where I feel like that could describe a lot of things so far. You know what I could tell y'all? I don't know what to tell the fans. I don't know what they would want to hear. I'm out. So, I'm out. I can't think of anything, and I wish I could, man. We want to get this thing rolling. We're gonna keep grinding. We're gonna keep doing it. But as far as giving y'all a soundbite or something to keep the faith, man, I don't know. I'm not even gonna try this week. Sorry. I've always been that type of person. Sometimes I feel like I know ball a little too much, so things can be frustrating, more than they would be if I was just maybe oblivious. But yeah, I feel like Coach Hack is doing a good job based on what we have, man. And yeah, I just like I said, I play my role. When I feel like I have something to offer, I want to make sure I voice that. But other than that, I trust our coaches. I trust our. I think I would have to look at the analytics on. I feel like last year we was one of the highest motioning teams in the league, and I think this year we're probably in there too, but maybe not. I know that Miami's number one. And yeah, man, they've built a great system for their guys over there. They got some great players, first of all. So no, it allows you to be able to unlock certain things, and they've done a great job of that. Tua gets it out on time. They have a good run game, very good outside zone scheme, and all of it's came together. They bought in and they run it really well. As far as us, we're searching, man, and yeah, we're searching. It's going to look different than the Dolphins because we're not the Dolphins, and whatever we do figure out to get it rolling, hopefully it's just as effective. But yeah, it'll look different.
I couldn't tell you. I feel like right now, I'm just trying to make a play. It's been hard for me to get an open space and get some good looks and stuff. So I know it's just a lot of guys pressing and stuff right now. Just trying to press and make a play every time you get a ball, and that's not good because then that causes little mistakes. Like I've been making mistakes that I've never made in my career, so it's frustrating, bro. Just trying to find a way to get better every week, and just trying to stay positive. Just being one of the best players on offense, I'm trying to step into that leadership role, which is hard for me because I've always been a guy that just did my 111, did my job. So it's been difficult, but I love our guys. Our guys come to work every day. We're just not getting the result we want. We got great leaders on our team. And we're still trying to grow on offense, but we just got to take pride in it. I come out there every week, and I know I'm the focal point of every defense, and it's just been hard, man. I'm trying to be the spark, trying to give Garrett some help Garrett get open, trying to help get Conk some help, but we just got to come together and be an offense as one, and everybody has to take pride in doing their job. Yeah. We were kind of surprised we were going in for the Hail Mary, but, you got to go in and, whatever play your coaches call, it might not be the best play at the time, but, if you can execute it, you can execute it. We didn't execute. I wish I was kind of the last line of defense and got blocked. I wish I could have made a move and, made the tackle, but that didn't happen. So, I don't really blame the coaches. They trusted us enough to, run the Hail Mary and make a play on it, and we didn't. So you can't blame anybody but ourselves. And if we're not making the play, we gotta rally and make the tackle. Me personally, I love our coaches and I love the stuff they're calling. It's kind of just a tale of us taking a turn and somebody not doing their job or somebody making a mistake, and it starts to rub off. I take pride in being one of our A players. I expect to almost be perfect every week, and I'm trying, but it's been hard because I've been pressing so much, and I feel like some part of me feels like I'm in the box a little bit, but you know, I'm still coming to work every day, and you know, I love our guys. Our guys are putting their best foot forward, and you know, we just gotta continue to, you know, work, execute. You know, we gotta figure this thing out.